It is December 12th, 2023. This is WIKISPEED Standup. Go ahead, Lauren.
It says Lawrence Salter, based in on Gabriel Island, British Columbia. And past week, didn't do too much. I did watch a new number of Cybertruck reviews, and not too much else. Let's see. So, coming week, I'm hoping to do arrange the thing so we can get the website going again, and just traveling around is the block, and that's it.
Okay. It is Michael Wolchuk, Saskatoon, Canada. Last week, I did personal projects, basically. So the floor vents were an excuse to use the CNC machine at TechWorks, and I basically got some inserts cut out for my flooring, for the vents in my flooring. The knitting machine, I've kind of added to the project. I need something that will let me hang weights off of the knitting, so that the first 8 or 10 stitches get done right. So I'm basically drawing up a 3D printed disc so that I can put some weight on the first few stitches. Pump runtime, I did a new version. It's working pretty well. Posted it to Wikifactory. The Christmas signs, I figured out what the problem was. I chose pretty much the only font that didn't want to work on that machine. So I have the depth set properly. I'm using a V-bit like I should be. And I've done a couple of test cars for my wife in different fonts so that she can review both the font and the layout. And I have not got anything done on anything else. Next week, I am hoping to get the row counter connected up for the knitting machine. The Polaris project, I have enough room in my garage now. I'm hoping to drag it in and get started. The pump runtime monitor, I'm far enough. I think I need to write up a summary of how it applies to our Little Red Wagon project and get that entered into the Little Red Wagon project. And I need to do some little bit of stuff on the Christmas signs, so that's not a big deal. Blocks, my honeydew list, including the Christmas signs and all that other stuff that we've been talking about. And it's Christmas season, so things are starting to stack up. Back to you.
Okay, I'll give myself a 4. The team a 7, and process improvement is to the website, is to just focus on the website. And back to you.
Okay. I am going to give myself, I think I got 6 points, so I'm going to give myself a 10 because I did I did the number that I said I was going to. 7 for the team, and process improvement. I guess we're going to stay with reconnecting with the WikiSpeed mail list after we get the website up and running, and that's why we're trying to talk to Joe, right? Is to figure out how to get into the website, right? I can't hear you. You're muted.
Hey, sorry, wait. Did you say something?
Yeah. So our process improvement of connecting with the WikiSpeed team after we get the website fixed. That's why we're trying to talk to Joe, is to get back into the website.
Yep.
Yep. Okay.
Yep.
Okay, that pretty much wraps it up for stand up. You got some crosstalk? Do you?
Oh.
Okay. I guess we're going to stop recording and we'll get her posted.